Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see one very important part of German grammar that is called as accusative case, or in German it is called as Akkusativ. So there is a dative case also, but that we'll cover in some other video. Just to avoid confusion, in this video we'll just focus on accusative case. So we'll start with the video. Now accusative case of German grammar is used to identify the direct object of a sentence, which can be a person or a thing, okay, that receives the action from subject. So that is the accusative case use. Now we'll see this with few examples also, so you will get the clearer idea of this, but maybe at the end of the video I will give you a few sentences through which you will get to know. Now first we'll see some things we should know about this accusative case. Now first we will take the articles, definite articles, and how it changes. Okay, so actually there is a separate video on my channel on this definite articles. You can go through it, so you will get the clearer idea of this definite articles, how it changes. Now considering this accusative case, only the masculine form it changes. For example, der changes to den, okay. For feminine form or neutral or plural form, there won't be any change. The definite article will be the same. Only the masculine definite article, it will change here, okay, in accusative case. Then we'll say the pronouns, how it happens. So the noun can be replaced with one of these 9 pronouns in German. So I will tell you. Now for me it will be mich, for you it will be dich. Then for him it will be ihn, I-H-N, ihn. Sie, it will be she, right? Then s, it is it. Then comes us is uns is us. Euch is you all. Then sie is them. And this is formal you, it can be sie only, okay. So for them and formal you, it will be sie only. So these are the pronouns you can see which can be used in accusative case. Now suppose you ask one question, that is was is what, or when is who. Whatever the answer you get, that is the accusative case. In dative case, the question will be wem, meaning whom, W-E-M, wem. But that we'll see in some other video. Okay. Now we have seen the personal pronouns and we have seen the articles, how it changes. Now we'll see a few examples, so you will get more idea about this accusative case. Now first we'll see singular masculine form. One example we'll see. There is a sentence like ich sehe den Hund, okay, meaning I see the dog. Hund meaning dog. So if you see here, there is den, D-E-N, den, for Hund, okay. So this is an accusative case because der changes to den. Now we'll see one example of feminine, singular feminine form, that is, suppose ich rieche die Blume, meaning I smell the flower. In this case, Blume is flower, D remains the same for feminine now, correct? There won't be any change. Now we'll see you can say singular neutral form. Suppose there is a sentence called ich kaufe das Brot, meaning I buy that bread. Brot is bread. So Brot is a neutral form. So if you see here, das remains the same. There won't be any change in the article. Then we'll see the plural masculine form. Okay. Suppose there is a sentence called ich kenne die Männer. Okay. Männer is the plural form of men, meaning I know the men. The translation of that. So if you see here, D remains the same. So plural, neutral, feminine, there won't be any change in the definite article. Only in masculine form it will change. So these are the few examples through which you will get to know about the accusative case. So I hope this is clear with you. So that's all for today, friends. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you and bye-bye.